Hello everyone, today is my presentation about Fonterra and my name is Sachin Kumar and my ID number is 109292. This is the title, Dairy Fonterra blockchain based traceability solution. Next is subtitle, and from farm to fridge, securing trust and transparency and transformation. Fonterra, a global dairy leader. Fonterra is the largest company for dairy product, and he and the Fonterra have 11,000 New Zealand farmers who supply the 40 million liter milk to the Fonterra. And key points: Fonterra formed in 2001, merger of major New Zealand cooperatives and dairy board. Next is 30% of global dairy exports and 22.8 billion annual revenue. And the next is 100 plus countries, flagship brands like Anchor and Mainland. And the last is innovation driven by Palmerston North R&D Center. Industry challenge. Now sometimes Fonterra have faces different challenges like many consumers demanding for where he get the information about Fonterra. Now Fonterra have provide the footprints, carbon footprints that from the carbon footprints the consumer are known how where the food comes from and which time the packaging time. So growing consumer demand for transparency and sustainability. And the next is food fraud cost global food industry and $40 billion annually. And the next is old fashioned traceability is equal to slow recalls and trust issues. And the last is market volatility, climate rates and competition from plant-based alternatives. Short summary. Strengths: R&D leadership. Fonterra has investing dairy products and innovation to the research center in New Zealand. And global footprints. Now Fonterra have provide the QR code on his product to for the consumer to know about where the product package and where the product is come from. And the next is current digital. Fonterra on that time Fonterra is a digital market in the outside of New Zealand like Australia and the South America who control the outside New Zealand transport and the quality of Fonterra's product. Weakness: fragment latency system costly. And the next is opportunities: consumer demand for provenance, sustainability and blockchain pilot. The same thing, consumer demand for the where the product comes from. So Fonterra also provide QR code where the consumer scan this that code and let know about where the product comes from and which time the product is packing. And the blockchain pilot. So next is threats: food fraud and regulatory complexity and competitive pressure. The problems: current tracing in bulk level. So Fonterra have facing many problems to trace the bulk level, bulk level, bulk level. To tracing the bulk level export and not end to end. Slow recalls is equal to brand and financial risk, and consumer cannot verify origin or ethical production. And the last is regulatory complexity rising. The innovation solution introducing Trace Dairy. Key feature: the hyperledger blockchain and QR code on packages. I also told about that. And IoT sensors at farmers and tankers and processors. And the last is real-time transparency and for all stakeholders. Blockchain traceability. Consumer trust 11% confidence increase and 60% pay more for traceable goods. And the next is food safety, faster and pinpointed recalls. And the next is operational efficiency, real-time monitoring and reduced waste. And the second last is regulatory alignment, audit ready and immutable logs. And the last is brand premium, export trust and price premium. The pilot insights: partnered with Alibaba in 2018 and Anchor product traceable QR in China. The Frontera is also partners with Alibaba to increase the sales in China. And the next is 1200 average consumer scans per batch and positive feedback on transparency. And the last is high potential for global expansion. Innovation project roadmap. Project timeline: 5 phases over 22 months. Discovery in 1 month, and prototype in 2 to 3 months, and pilot in 4 to 6 months, and national scale up for 7 to 10 months, and global rollout and support 11 to 22 months. Include 15% buffer overlay. KPIS G monitoring. KPIS. In case of KPIS, 95% traceable batches in year 1, more than 3 minute trace to source time, and QR scan rate and adoption rate. And last is 38% reduction in recall costs. In case of monitoring tools, dashboard, smart contract logs and weekly reports. Steering committee and monthly reviews. Risk and mitigation. Managing risk and proactively. Connectivity offline, sync and plus store and forward. The next is farmer adoption, early workshop and training. And the next is data privacy, encryption and access control. The second last is integration issues, which is prototype phase and interoperability. And the last is regulatory compliance, which is MPI engagement. That is the conclusion and call to action. Blockchain traceability is equal to, which is suffer smarter, trusted dairy supply. And the next is aligns with Frontera's innovation and sustainability goals. And the second last is industry's leading transparency and operational excellence. And the last is ask New Zealand $5 million of 22 months for rollout and global development. And thank you.
And thank you.